Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, you will learn how you can print your projects and designs on Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your project on Canva. Like for example, let me go with a PowerPoint presentation like this one here. And I would like to print that presentation with all of its slides and pages. This is how we can do it, guys. Once we have finished creating or editing our project, simply click on share here in the top right corner. And after that, select download from that drop down menu. And here under file type, select not PDF standard, but instead PDF print because it's best for printing, and confirm the download by clicking on this button here. Wait for the download process to be finished. And once the download process has been finished, the given file will be saved in PDF format on your computer here, as you can see. So now you can, for example, browse through that project. And as you can see, it contains all of this projects or presentations, slides and pages, which is good. So to print it, simply click on menu in the top left corner, Adobe PDF. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click on print here or select the shortcut Ctrl P. That is going to redirect you to that pre-print setup. So here you may select, for example, the connected printer, select the amount of copies, how many pages you would like to print, the sizing as well as the handling, like for example, poster or booklet. You may also select orientation like portrait or landscape. If it's a presentation, I would recommend using landscape. And that's basically it. You may, for example, also give the printer the command to print it in grayscale or in black and white only. Or yeah, simply start the printing by clicking on print here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and see you next time.